How's everyone doing today? My name is CJ Halleck with cjhalleck.com and digitalbag.com. And in this video, we're going to be going through the steps, registering our domain with privacy protection, and signing up for our hosting with a free SSL. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we are on knowem.com, and that's KNOWEM as in Mary.com. This is the very first place that I normally start when it comes to coming up with brand names, regardless of what I'm doing. The biggest thing and the reason why I love this website is it will actually go out for you and check your social media profiles to see what's available. It will check domains, and it will also check trademarks. All three of those are very important. So I want to show you real quick. We're going to go ahead and get started. So I started with the concept of doing my wood burning for the website, just as like a showcase type website. I can use social media to kind of show some of the artwork and things that I've done with my wood burning. So I have, and I'm going to put this in kindled art and check, because I have this already as a .com, and the problem with this, aside from the fact that I already have the .com, so I can't walk you guys through that step, and it's brand new. Well, not brand new, it's been around for a few years, but I haven't really done anything with it. So what I wanted to do is actually start with a brand new brand across the board on everything and do everything from scratch with the Blitz challenge. So the first thing I started playing around, and we'll look, if we do kindled or Kindle artist, and it's just, it's one of them other words, and I'm looking and I'm like, okay, well, kindleartist.com, that looks like a good one because it's available everywhere. But one of the things that you have to think, not only is it available everywhere, but what are people going to think when they look at your domain? Kindle Artist is going to be easy to remember and easy to share, but it can get confusing because what is it, right? Kindle Artist, is it someone who does covers for Kindle books? Is it, there's a lot of different things, and plus the sound of Kindle Artist and Kindled Artist with that extra D on it can confuse people as well. So I decided to go do away with Kindle Artist and decided we're going to try Pyroplex, because I sell wood plaques, and pyro, hold on, there we go, I almost messed that up. Pyro is just kind of one of those prefixes that kind of mean, I think it's a prefix, I'm horrible with English, that basically mean like fire or to set on fire. So I'm going to go ahead and click search, and hopefully nobody has taken anything yet. We're looking Pyroplex. It shows YouTube is unavailable, but the URL doesn't matter as much on YouTube as it does having the name in the channel. We have pyroplex.com is available, no trademark on it. And the main thing is you want to understand what social media, which I'm going to cover this in a later video, but you want to understand what you're going to use and if it's available. Quora normally doesn't show available, and neither does LinkedIn, and YouTube hasn't in the last, I want to say about month or so, month and a half, since they reconfigured this. Instagram used to not be on the front page. There was a few things that was different. When they reconfigured the search criteria and everything, they kind of, for some reason, YouTube stopped showing. But anyways, so basically, everything I've searched for, you're going to get, if it's free across the board, you're going to get these types of results. You'll have oops, errors. Sometimes you'll get that on WordPress and LiveJournal, I believe. Other than that, you'll see it on Etsy. LinkedIn will never show available, but honestly, if you're building something as a brand on LinkedIn, that's not going to just be linkedin.com / in your brand. There's other, things to the URLs there, so it's not that big of a deal. But anyways, we're looking, everything looks available. We're available, and we're available. So now that we're good across all boards, I'll then go forward and start with first getting my Gmail address for whatever that brand is. If Gmail is taken, then I'll come back here and start over. And I normally do that because if the Gmail's taken, then there's probably something that you missed that might be taken as well. And in that, you can also, while you're here, just want to show you guys some of this other stuff. You can click on social networks, and it will actually display all of the social networks and let you know if it's available there as well. So if you're looking at most of these, like in blogging, it's good. I won't do anything bookmarking. Let's see. I think they have something with like crafts or something. There's photo would be a good one. Travel. All right. So we'll look at photo, and we'll check this category because there may be a few of these that I want to use. And as you see here, like, everything basically is available. There's a few that say oops, error, and free pick shows not available. But you know, and you can come through and check news, run through everything here. You can check music, whatever it is, whatever type of platforms you're going to be using, go to that section, go through everything and get their, you know, design probably. So we'll check this category, you know, and you want to make sure anything that you would use to grow your business is available. Community is going to be like the Facebooks, you know, and of course you can go back to the old school and MySpace and, you know, some of this other stuff. But business book, like I said, I've gone through everything. It looks available. Everything that I plan on using is available. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward with the name Pyroplex, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Y'all take care.